What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be conducting a series of science experiments. Now, these are viral TikTok science experiments, so we're about to do those right now. I'm pretty scared because a lot of it consists exploding, but you know what? Let's get into it. Alright, so we're gonna do this one first. This is an OG. It's an OG, but it's the Coke with Mentos. Obviously, I don't have Mentos. I mean, not Mentos. I don't have Coke. It's Pepsi. But I think it's gonna do the same thing. So let's remove my phone from the premises. Okay, put that right there, and just get into it. So the first one, Coke and Mentos. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm kind of scared, and it's gonna cause ants. Let me just get them all out. Let's just pour them all out. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, bro! What the fuck? Bro, are you kidding me? Well, good thing y'all didn't get my reaction, because that thing was crazy. We gonna have ants. I'm gonna have to wash this stuff all up. I'm gonna have to wash it all up. But it's okay. It's okay. Bro, that was crazy. Let me see some more. I don't know if I want to do any more. Oh, okay, no. That was it. That was it, bro. Oh, shit. Okay, so now, let me see. Is it gonna do something? Oh, no, that's it. All right. Okay, so let's get on to the next. All right, y'all, that was crazy. I had to clean up everything because it went everywhere, obviously, but now I have the empty bottle, and we're gonna use that for the next TikTok viral experiment. This one is the elephant's toothpaste, so we're about to get into that right now. Let me move my phone. Oh wait, I need my phone because the directions are right there. Okay, so first, clean plastic bottles. Next, you get a half a cup of the hydrogen peroxide. So let's do that right now. I'm scared. I should have got that little thingy, because we got a little tiny phone. But I wasn't prepared to be doing all this craziness. But that's half cup. Half cup in. A tablespoon, 1 packet of dry yeast. They said the whole packet. I'm trying to. Shit's dying. Three tablespoons of warm water. I thought it said half a cup. Okay, 3 tablespoons of warm water, liquid dish soap. They didn't say how much. Hold on. Add about 1 tablespoon. Okay. 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Okay. 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Oh, you gotta get the food coloring. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's blue and purple. This stuff out here crazy. And switch the bottle around to mix it in a separate small cup. Continue to combine warm water and the yeast together. Oh. Dang, I did it wrong. They said mix it. so happening. Oh wait, it's coming. It's coming. Let me mix it up a little bit. I should have added Mentos. Should I add more yeast? I want it to happen faster. Hold on. Let's add some more yeast. It's coming. I feel like it was more enthusiastic. This should need a shake to do so. Wait, not that. Come on, do something. I feel like, but bro, I mean, that was the elephant toothpaste. I don't know if elephants actually use this for toothpaste, but I mean, it's cool, I guess. That's more enthusiastic. I like that better. Well, that's cool. You got some weird looking toothpaste stuff. This water is warm. I like it. Well, I mean, not gonna lie, this is what the elephant toothpaste is. I think the other one is, people put an actual like Pepsi and Mentos in it so it can like go up higher and stuff like that. But wait, this is food coloring. I hope it don't stain this. This not my tape. Well, that one was bunk. So on to the next one. This next one is, you take a CD, old CD, one that I don't really use anymore, and you take tape, place it on said CD, you know, make sure it's on there. Supposedly it's supposed to rip off a piece of like the supposed to take off the, what is this? The paint, I guess, the print of the CD. So hopefully it did it. It did it. Okay. And you're supposed to, I forgot which way they blow it, but you're supposed to light it and blow a bubble. Turd looking thing. Oh, bro, it's hard. Oh, wait. I gotta do it one more time. Hold on. Okay, I got it now. I got it. Come on, Win. Stop messing with me. Everybody else's don't look black. Is it because I didn't take all the stuff off? Oh, no matter. I'm Dr. freaking Nazario. And that's on period. Let's do it one more time. I want to do a nice one. Fire, work with me. I think it's black because it's too close. Oh shit, is she getting on fire? No, it's fine. Do it a little while longer. I see it starting to like blow down, like bubble up at the bottom. But we're about to do it again. Bro, it worked. Get close up on that. Bro, it is working. That is cool. Okay. Okay. The Mentos was cool because I've never done that before, even though it's so old. But this one was the first time I did it, and it was pretty cool. I like this one. This one was cool. That other one, elephant toothpaste, whatever, it was cool, I guess. But I mean, that's cool. Oh, it feels like a, oh well, I get it. It is plastic. It feels like a plastic bag. Bro, that's crazy, and it's hard like around here. I want to rip it off. I ripped it off. It's like hard inside. Okay, I did that twice. I was really about to be sad if I didn't make this thing work. Okay, you guys, that was the TikTok viral science experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did. It was pretty fun doing all this different type of stuff. This is a different type of video. I said I was bringing challenges and I brought it. Is it a challenge? Experiment challenge. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Welcome back if you did. Maybe I should have did this in the beginning, but who cares? I'm still learning. All right. I'll see y'all later. That was fun. Okay, bye.